Okay, let's there's a few showers that I need to let's plumb up a few showers. Okay, so insert, I need to load, but because they're in my project, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my project browser. My project browser is not on the screen because I need the space. So go to your project browser. I'm going to my project browser and selecting a shower that I need to put on this floor plan. Okay, so my space bar, and I see that the opening is to my left, so I'm going to click there, and let's space. Okay, so that's there. I can line my showers up. Let's see. Okay, so we're looking at so yeah, I'm gonna visual graphics, PL, I'm gonna turn off those plumbing fixtures. Okay, all plumbing fixtures are off. So what I'm gonna do here is use the align tool, and it is and will become a very good friend of yours and mine. Align one shower, that shower to that shower. Okay, so however you remember that, align to, align from, align without, align whatever, right? So mine is kind of like, mine is align to, so align to. Let me undo this. This is what's going on in my head. So I'm going to align to, you see? So however you do that, because it can get confusing to people, just like this view. For some, it's like, what the heck are you looking at? And for others, it's like, oh, I see where we are. So it kind of works in the same way. You know, some people can see things, which I think is, to me, is, I don't know if you can't teach that type of vision, huh? So I guess if for some people, if you see it this way, and then they're like, well, I don't see it. Well, I don't see it. Well, I don't see it. Well, can you turn it this way? Okay, so you do this, right? And you turn it this way. And then they say, oh, I can see it. I can see it. So sometimes it takes people, some people can see it quicker, let's say quicker than others. It's like just any vision, you know, any vision. So whether it's in 3D or if it's in a section view or if it's in a plan view. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to go to my section view. We are looking west, looking north, right? So this view symbol is looking north. So if I rotate this guy, if I rotate counterclockwise at 90 degrees, it is looking west. So, and as we continue another 90 counterclockwise, it will look south. So I'm going to undo this. Let's save the project. Undo. So looking at the section view, under I am trying to highlight the showers in the section view. Why can't I do that? I'm trying to highlight the showers in the section view. Why can't? Okay, what happened with that? What happened? What? I can't. Okay, so that was weird. Okay, I don't know what happened. So now we are going to draw our sanitary pipe down. Make sure that our system, our pipe types, or your pipe types are let's take okay, so the pipe types sanitary or whatever, it could be whatever, and this is system type, and I mean it could be whatever. I usually like to have them both consistent types and system. So if I'm using a vent or cold water, well, you have them just match, the pipe type and then the system type. If it's cold water system, copper pipe, right? So I put cast iron sanitary just for the heck of it, because it could be cast iron vent, right? So it could be copper hot water or copper cold water, so system type and pipe type. So let's try to keep those two a little bit consistent. Let me go back over. So I wonder if, let's see, I think I'm gonna move this over. Okay, so, and if we draw our pipe, we are going to, I saw something that I did not like. See that? Slope down. Man, okay, so slope off. Let's turn that off, down, and we're going to do that. We are going to draw another pipe over to the left, and I think just because I know what's going to happen, I'm going to put a P-trap on this one and a P-trap on this pipe. Okay, this one, I'm going to turn this guy into a T and put a little spool piece. Come on, a spool piece. Let that go up to maybe there. Cap it. Okay, and then we're going to make a cross here. Another little spool piece just to align the drawing that we have up with our other shower. Align. Okay, let's bring this one up to that one, and let's see if we can fillet the two. Okay, that looks good. And of course we need to make sure that our fixture units are good. Okay, this let me just go back and make sure just out of this family has a built-in, let's see, let's go back. So we got 4 fixture units, right? Drainage fixture units. So we know that just based on, okay. So just out of, I think that it's important that your templates, your templates should have your fixture units, your plumbing fixtures should have your fixture units, I think, built into them. So anyway, let's go back. Or however your company wants to do it. If you got time to do it, do it. If you got time, if you cannot go to lunch that day, right? If you stay and build a family that has cold water, hot water, vent, all of that stuff in it, it will help. Okay, so where am I? Okay, so we're gonna go here. I'm gonna go back to first floor and zoom into this area. Wireframe, vent down. Zoom in a little bit, so we go down 1/8 of an inch, 2 inch, okay, and up. That's a 2 inch, but because I know that there's going to be other plumbing fixtures in this area, I'm going to change this. Or I'm going to put a reducer on it, a 4 inch. I'm going to change it from a 2 inch to a 4 inch, okay. So we come out, down, right? So I clicked left click. I'm going to change the diameter to a 4 inch. Okay. You see that? Let me do that again. Okay. Let's just back up and do the James Brown. Oh, okay. Okay, let's here. What's going on? Okay, here. Let's go 3D. Okay, just for the heck of it. Where am I? Here, right? Everything's new. It's your preference, but I like to work out of this environment, right? This 3D environment. Okay, so draw a pipe, and go to first floor, right? Slope down. Slope is down. Go clockwise. 2 inch diameter. Slope down. Slope is down. That's, you can wireframe. You can see the bottom of this, but Revit will snap to it, right? It's gonna draw down. We're gonna slope down, right? Draws a pipe down. Okay. But because I know that there will be other plumbing fixtures in this area, toilets and other showers, I'm gonna draw the pipe out, right? Come out, left click. Okay, now that's established, right? And now what I want to do is put a reducer on it, or an increaser in this case. So I want to go from a 2 inch to a 4 inch. So now the diameter will increase to a 4 inch, right? So now, but I'm gonna go entirely out of the building. Left click, escape, and we have our pipe, 4 inch pipe. So what I'm gonna do is, let's do this. That's my vent piping here. Turn off the slope, right? Okay. Here, vent piping. No slope. Okay. That looks good. So here, I think they're controls. So I'm selecting both of these vent piping. So what I need to do is change. Let me bring this over so that it is no longer, what Revit does is defaults to the system or pipe type that you were using previously. So we just need to change it, and the system, we need to change the system type to vent, right? Okay, and apply that. So we change that to vent. So I know it looks different, but that is supposed to be PVC pipe, and that is supposed to be cast iron pipe. It's supposed to be, but it's just digital stuff. It's just digital. It's just stuff. It's not real. Let's go up, because what I want to do is I need a riser, and I'm gonna use that as a riser, because this riser I'm going to copy over to there. Okay, and what size is this? 1/2 inch. I'm going to change this vent to 3 inches just because. Okay. What are these, 2 inches? And create similar. And what it will draw will be vent piping here, but I'm going to change it to 11 feet. Okay, right now it's at 3.5, 2.5. I'm in 3 feet, so I'm going to change that to 11. Okay, and bring it over just a little bit. Okay. Now what I need to do is section just testing, making sure nothing is broken, going up and down, making sure the system is connected. Okay, so let's connect the vent. Okay, draw a vent. We know that our main pipe is at 11 feet, so we are going to change our elevation to 11 feet. Make sure the slope is off. There is no slope. No slope. No. So our angle here is going to be 45. And take that all the way up to the blue line on the vertical 2 inch. Ooh, that's 1.5 inches. I don't want 1.5 inches. That should be 2 inches. Okay, see how easy that was? I changed that pipe to 2 inches. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. Get to work. Go back to work. So what were we? We were changing are drawing our pipe at the same time to 11 feet, right? And we were going to go at this guy at 45, right? And to test our pipe, let's go back to our 3D drawing, right? And so that just because we're testing, remember? I mean, every time you build a family, right, you have to test it. You have to test. No different here. You have to test. Make sure that it's sliding. Make sure that all, let's call them degrees of freedom. That all of the degrees of freedom are working. Just no different than a family. Okay? So when you come out into the real world, right, when you get away from family, just test it, because you may think that, oh, that looks cool, that's nice. And then when you get out and you try to move things around, it's like, why would it do that? So in other words, if I move this 2-inch pipe to the right, does the degree, where's the degree of freedom here? Does it slide up or does it slide down? All of you mechanical, who took mechanical dynamics in in college? Was that mechanics? Oh yeah, that's mechanics, right? So it's gonna slide. If I move this, it's gonna slide up or down, or is it gonna break? I'm not gonna. Let's see. You know what? I'm gonna try. Oh, I don't want to. Oh, shit. Wait a minute. See my. Oh, wait. Cancel. See, I got a pin. You see that? It moved. And take that back. Yeah, that's good. So that was good. That was good because what I need to do is pin this guy and that shower. You see that? Okay. Now let's go back to playing around. So let's see. See? It broke. Rev was like, what the heck are you doing, dude? Wait a minute. Let's go back to this one. Make sure I didn't break. Okay, so we're good that way. So I'm going to leave that alone. Okay. So here, this is our other shower vent that I think is a little bit easier. We're going to have 2 elbows and 11 feet and go straight up into this guy. Blue, horizontal, nearest to. Cool. But the test is here, right? Test is here, where we're going to go west. Make sure that it gets into the wall or plumbing chase, which is on the right. But my eye is focused on here because I know that the shower, back of the shower is here. So when I come here, my eye is looking here, looking in this area. I think that's close enough, and we're in the wall space. Okay, so looks like if we are going, and it looks like the vent is going this way, we put last check. Let me bring this over and cap the end. The last check is going to be fixture units, right? So the fixture units should show up. Okay, good. Should be 2, just to check, right? Just to check. And if we are adding, okay, so we're good. Just checking. You gotta flex those. You gotta flex your family. You gotta flex your muscles. Flex. Don't forget to flex. Okay. So, okay. I'm gonna leave this alone for now and come back to this later. Okay, well, I hope that helped. And get some information from the AutoCAD people so that we can